And as you can see, the colours of the quality of the image of the decal paper that we use is perfect. Hey everyone, Chris and Lily here from MrDecalPaper.com, and what are we doing today, Lily?
We're making a Frozen 2 mug.
We are making a Frozen 2 mug. Okay, steps to customizing your own mugs. Step 1, get a blank mug. This mug is white, and when printing onto white, always use the clear waterslide decal paper. Step 2, grab yourself some paper, some special transfer paper, clear inkjet waterslide paper from MrDecalPaper.com. It just looks like a normal piece of paper, but it has like a film coating on, and it's a little bit thicker than normal paper, so you can put it through your printer, inkjet printer, on glossy presentation paper setting or thick paper setting. So next step would be to get yourself some images. You can go to Google Images for some images of designs, pictures. Important to remember though that you can't sell any mug that you've created, or because of copyright, and obviously you're only decorating these items for your home and personal use. So once you've found the images that you want, you can just print them out as if you were printing onto a normal piece of paper onto the special clear inkjet waterslide paper. After printing and allowing to dry, give your decals some quick sprays with some clear varnish spray to seal the print. Next step is to cut your design out of the decal paper, ready to go into the water. So now we can see we've got our cut image, and we're going to dip that into water. So if you want to go ahead and do that, Lily. And usually 30 to 40 seconds is pretty much all it takes. And then we're ready to slide the design onto the mug. So if you want to just have a feel, let me have a feel for the backing paper on that, Lily, just to see how that's coming. And what you want is to just gently be able to feel that sliding off, but you're going to take it out of the water with it still on its backing paper. So it just needs a little bit longer. And yep, it's ready. So it's coming off. So here we get the mug, and we're just going to catch the edge of the decal paper and slide that backing paper away from it. Now this is not a sticker, this is a film and provides a factory finish, very close to factory finish at least. A lot of people making custom mugs will use this technology, especially for starting out with their own home business. As I say, obviously you can't take Frozen 2 images and stick them onto mugs and sell them, because obviously that's breach of copyright. But what we're doing is we're just making a mug for Lily for home. And I'm now just taking a little bit of water out from underneath that. And you can put these in the oven at a low temperature, say 110 C, for 10 to 15 minutes, just to dry that out and start the hardening process, because these papers have a very clever chemical hardener. So this is going to go rock solid onto the actual mug surface. And as you can see, the colours of the quality of the image of the decal paper that we use is perfect. And what you can do, once that's dried out, you can give that a few more coats of clear varnish sealant spray, and then we'd recommend just hand wash only on this mug. So there we have it. What do you think, Lily?
That's amazing, Daddy.
Okay, right. Thanks very much, and see you on the next video.